If you're experiencing login errors on your Xbox, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issues. This guide will help you get back to gaming in no time. Step 1. Check Xbox Live status. Visit the official Xbox Live status page to see if there are any ongoing service outages or maintenance. If there are issues reported, you may need to wait until they are resolved. Step 2. Restart your Xbox. Power off your Xbox completely by holding the power button for 10 seconds. Unplug it from the power source for a minute, then plug it back in and turn it on. This can clear temporary glitches. Step 3. Verify your internet connection. Ensure your Xbox is connected to the internet. Go to the Settings menu, select Network, and test your connection. If there are issues, try resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 4. Check your account credentials. Make sure you are entering the correct email and password for your Xbox account. If you've forgotten your password, use the password recovery option to reset. Step 5. Update your Xbox. Ensure your Xbox has the latest software updates. Go to Settings, select System, and then Updates. Install any available updates, as they can fix bugs and improve performance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login errors on your Xbox. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Xbox support for further assistance. Happy gaming!